Hi guys, that's what I like, right? I make a video about fonts and you make suggestions. You say, oh, why not install ttf-merriweather? I say, okay, what's that? I've installed it. Let's have a look. So Plasma, place to be. It has so much configuration. And let's go for adjust all fonts. The font, the Merriweather. The Merriweather, here we have sans light. The font style, regular, size 11. Okay, fine. And let's apply and let's be amazed. So we close everything up, we open it up again. This is our menu in the meantime. And here is our system settings. Looking quite nice, right? Fonts, of course there were more, so I'm gonna see this is the light version. Is that the light? And then we have the ultra bold italic. We have this one, that one. Let's go over that one, that one, that one. Which would I like? This seems to be the most normal one. This is a darker one. For my eyesight, maybe this is better. A little bit darker. Aha, we got more stuff. Bold. I think regular is okay for me. Let's keep 11 for now. I can always make it bigger. And off we go. Another way of looking at things. Maybe you like this better. So this was, let's have a look again. I've installed ttf-merriweather-sans. I'll put that video online.